Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT Makeup Test 2025-2026. Dear students, if you like my video, please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel. Dear students, here you can see KMU-CAT Makeup Test 2025 and 2026. The most important point is start date of registration is 10th December 2025 while deadline for registration 22nd December 2025 and the last but not least test date and time 28th December 2025 Sunday 10th am. Test centers include Peshawar, Mardan, Kuram, Kohat, D.I. Khan, Hazara and Swat. So best wishes and best luck. Ribosomes are located on option A smooth endoplasmic reticulum, B rough endoplasmic reticulum, option C nucleus and option D cytoplasm. So the correct option is B rough endoplasmic reticulum. Explanation is ribosomes are either free in the cytoplasm or attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Synthesis of all protein chains in prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell begin with amino acids. Option A methionine, B adenine, C proline and option D arginine. So the correct option is A methionine. The AUG start codon all newly synthesized polypeptide chains initially begin with methionine. Proteomics is option A is another term for genomics in humans. B is the study of the collection of proteins produced in a particular cell. Option C is the study of proteins produced by a particular gene. And option D proves that a single gene codes for only one protein. So the correct option is B. Proteomics is the study of the collection of proteins produced in the particular cells. Proteomics is the large-scale study of entire complement of proteins or proteome produced by an organism, system or cell at a particular time and under a particular condition. Phosphatase is a protein enzyme that removes option A sulfate group, B amino group, C phosphate group and option D hydroxyl group. So the correct option is C phosphate group. A phosphatase is an enzyme that removes a phosphate group from a substrate. To begin translation, initiation complex includes option A ribosomes, B mRNA, C tRNA and option D all of the above. So the correct option is D all of the above. The initiation complex for translation is formed by the association of a small ribosomal subunit, the mRNA, the first tRNA and various initiation factors. So dear students, this is very important MCQs. Adding a phosphate group to protein is called option A replication, B hydrogenation, C. Phosphorylation, and option D. Carbonation. So the correct option is C. Phosphorylation. Phosphorylation is a common post-translational modification where a phosphate group is covalently added to a protein, typically by a kinase. All are stop codon except option A AUG, B UAA, C UGA, and option D UAG. So the correct option is A AUG. The AUG is a start codon, codes for methionine. UAA, UGA, and UAG are the three stop codons that signal translation termination. So this is very important MCQs. Bond formation occurs during chain elongation or dash. Option A hydrogen bonding, B peptide bonding, C phosphate bonding, and option D none of these. So the correct option is B peptide bonding. During translation, the ribosomes catalyzes the formation of a peptide bond between the amino acid carried by the tRNA and the P site and the new amino acid carried by tRNA and the A site. Dear students, if you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। In prokaryotic translation, how many initiation factor required? Option A 1, B 2, C 3, and option D 4. So the correct option is C 3. In prokaryotic translation requires three specific initiation factor. Initiation factor 1, initiation factor 2, and initiation factor 3. Thank you for watching my videos.